Dozens of activist and legal groups, elected officials, local jurisdictions, and individuals have launched more than 150 lawsuits against the Trump administration since January 20 in response to his more than 90 executive orders, as well as executive proclamations and memos. Fox News Digital found Trump has long been a legal target, which hit a fever pitch during the 2024 election cycle when Trump faced 4 criminal indictments, including a criminal trial in Manhattan in the spring of 2024. When he was found guilty on 34 counts of falsifying business records, Trump has maintained his innocence in the 4 cases, pointing to them as evidence of lawfare at the hands of Democrats working against his political efforts. Upon Trump's election win in November 2024, state attorneys general, such as New York Attorney General Letitia James, publicly said they would prepare legal battles against the Trump administration for actions they view as illegal or negatively impact residents. Trump-hating NY Attorney General Letitia James vows war with President-elect in divisive news conference. "We faced this challenge before, and we used the rule of law to fight back," James, who has repeatedly filed suits against Trump, said following his win. "And we are prepared to fight back once again because, as the Attorney General of this great state, it is my job to protect and defend the rights of New Yorkers and the rule of law, and I will not shrink from that responsibility." Just weeks back in the Oval Office, Trump's administration has been hit with at least 155 lawsuits working to resist his policies. Fox News Digital compiled a list of the groups, state attorneys general, cities or states, and individuals who have launched lawsuits against the Trump administration's executive actions. The list includes the various groups and individuals challenging the Trump administration in court, as well as the executive order or proclamation that sparked the suit. John 20, 2025. New Hampshire. Indonesian Community Support. League of United Latin American Citizens. Make the Road. New York. Executive Order. Protecting the Meaning and Value of American Citizenship. January 20, 2025. ODO. Brazilian Worker Center, Inc. La Colaborativa. Executive Order. Protecting the Meaning and Value of American Citizenship. January 20, 2025. Center for Biological Diversity. Establishing and implementing the President's Department of Government Efficiency. January 22, 2025. Make the Road, New York. Executive Order. Protecting the American people against invasion. January 20, 2025. National Treasury Employees Union. Executive Order. Restoring accountability to policy-influencing positions within the federal workforce. January 20, 2025. National Security Counselors, Inc. Executive Order. Establishing and implementing the President's Department of Government Efficiency. January 20, 2025. American Public Health Association. American Federation of Teachers. Minority Veterans of America. Vote Vets Action Fund. The Center for Auto Safety, Inc. Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington. Executive Order establishing and implementing the President's Department of Government Efficiency. January 20, 2025. Lee v. Trump. Executive Order protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. January 21, 2025. State of New Jersey, Commonwealth of Massachusetts, State of California, State of Colorado, State of Connecticut, State of Delaware, District of Columbia, State of Hawaii, State of Maine, State of Maryland, Attorney General Dana Nessel for the people of Michigan, State of Minnesota, State of Nevada, State of New Mexico, State of New York, State of North Carolina, State of Rhode Island, State of Vermont, State of Wisconsin, City and County of San Francisco. Executive Order, protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. Jan 21, 2025. CASA, Inc., Asylum Seeker Advocacy Project. Executive Order, protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. Jan 21, 2025. State of Washington, State of Arizona, State of Illinois, State of Oregon. Executive Order, protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. Jan 21, 2025. Delmi Franco Alaman, Shirley Norales Castillo, and Alicia Chavarria Lopez. Executive Order, protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. Jan 23, 2025. Las Americas Immigrant Advocacy Center. Executive Order, securing our borders. And 25, 2025. Organized Communities Against Deportation. Brighton Park Neighborhood Council. Illinois Coalition for Immigrant and Refugee Rights. Raise the Floor. Alliance. Executive Order, protecting the American people against invasion. Jan 26, 2025. Maria Mo, transgender federal inmate. Executive Order, defending women from gender ideology. Extremism and restoring biological truth to the federal government. Jan 27, 2025. Jane Does 1-2. Executive Action on the Solicitation of Information from Career Employees. Jan 27, 2025. Philadelphia. Yearly Meeting of the Religious Society of Friends. New England. Yearly Meeting of the Religious Society of Friends. Baltimore. Yearly Meeting of the Religious Society of Friends, Inc. Adelphi Friends, Meeting of the Religious Society of Friends. Richmond Friends. Meeting of the Religious Society of Friends. Executive Action related to immigration enforcement in places of worship. Jan 28, 2025. Public Employees for Environmental Responsibility. Executive Order, restoring accountability to policy-influencing positions within the federal workforce. Jan 28, 2025. Public Citizen Inc. State Democracy Defenders Fund. American Federation of Government Employees. Executive Order, establishing and implementing the President's Department of Government Efficiency. Jan 28, 2025. State of New York, State of California, State of Illinois, State of Rhode Island, State of New Jersey, Commonwealth of Massachusetts, State of Arizona, State of Colorado, State of Connecticut, State of Delaware, the District of Columbia, State of Hawaii, State of Maine, State of Maryland, State of Michigan, State of Minnesota, State of Nevada, State of North Carolina, State of New Mexico, State of Oregon, State of Vermont, State of Washington, State of Wisconsin. Executive action related to the temporary pause of grants, loans, and assistance programs.